Today I have another cinnamon roll recipe that I'm really excited about. So I have the cinnamon rolls ready. I've lined them in the pan with my little silicone, and I love this cheesecake base, so of course I'm going to use that again. And I'm going to top a little bit on each one. And then I have another plan for this cheesecake base with one more recipe, so I don't want to use all of it, but it's just so good. Okay, so that's on every single one. Then I'll save the rest of that. I need to get a clean spoon for the next one, which is pumpkin butter. So, oh wow, that smells really good. I haven't had this before. So I'm going to top a little bit on each one of those two. And then I have some chopped pecans. And then one thing I forgot, I'm going to do a little bit of the heavy whipping cream in the bottom. I had a little bit of this left over, so I want to use it up. So I'll just put it in the bottom. And then I have the oven preheated to 375. There we go. Maybe I'll use the rest of this for my coffee. All right, so then it's ready for the oven. The cinnamon rolls were in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. I took them out and I let them cool a little bit so I can show you. They look really good. And the kitchen smells amazing. So I'm going to try one. That's pretty good. That is worth another bite. I'm definitely going to have to make those again.